Your avocados are getting too soft and you're about to throw them away, right? Stop right there. Let me show you how to turn them into something even more valuable. Pure homemade avocado oil. Start by cutting your avocados open. Take a knife and gently slice around it, following its natural shape. Once you have gone all the way around, remove the seed and scoop out the flesh into a bowl. Make sure your avocados are very ripe. This helps you get more oil. Now that you have scooped out all the flesh, next thing to do is to blend or mash it. So you can do this with a spoon, a whisk, or a blender. If you are using a blender, make sure it is very smooth and creamy. The smoother it is, the easier it will release oil. So after blending and getting this smooth creamy avocado paste, I didn't cook it at all. Instead, I'm using a natural method. So I transferred the paste into a tray and spread it out evenly, making sure it's not too thick so it can dry properly. I placed it under a shade, not under direct sunlight, and I left it there for about 4 days. Each day, I kept coming back to turn it and mix it. This helps it dry evenly and prevents spoilage. Slowly, you will notice the texture changing. It starts losing moisture and the oil begins to develop naturally. This method might take a little time, but it helps preserve the quality of oil without using it. So let's watch how it transforms over the next few days, okay? So after 4 days of consistently turning it and keeping it under shade, our avocado oil is now fully dried and ready for the next step. At this stage, you will notice a big change in texture. It's no longer soft and creamy, but more dry and slightly firm. That's exactly what we want. Now it's time to separate the oil. Place a clean chiffon cloth over a bowl. Then transfer the dried avocado paste into the cloth. Gather the cloth together and start pressing it firmly. You begin to see the oil coming out slowly. Keep pressing. Take your time with this part because this is where you extract every drop of natural avocado oil. I actually handle the pressing in 2 rounds. I didn't put everything in the chiffon cloth at once because that would be too much and make it harder to extract the oil properly. So I worked in batches, adding a portion at a time and pressing it out well before adding the next. This makes the process easier and helps you get more oil out efficiently. And what is left inside the cloth is the avocado shaft. Don't throw this away. The shaft is very useful. You can use it as a natural hair mask, a skin treatment, or even add it to DIY beauty recipe. This oil is rich, pure and packed with nutrients your body truly needs. Avocado oil is known to support healthy skin, helping to keep it soft, smooth and glowing. It's also great for hair growth, helping to nourish the scalp and reduce dryness. For adults especially, it's a great natural option for both cooking and self-care because it contains healthy fat and supports overall wellness. And the best part, you made it yourself. Simple, natural and cost-effective. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, will you try this method or do you prefer the cooking method? Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.